Hey guys, back at it here. I just wanted to show you one thing real quick. I looked on YouTube, I checked the internet, there wasn't really a lot of videos on this, but when I bought the Evo, the gas cap would not open here unless you had to, flip the handle inside the car, and then you had to come out here, and I would stick a credit card in here to pop this open, because the clip the spring clip that pops this open was missing. So I'm assuming it broke from the previous owner. And after getting tired of messing with that, I finally went out and got the clip here, and that's all it is. It's really cheap. I think it was under $5. I don't know the exact price. It might have been $1.99 or something like that. But there's your Mitsubishi part number. And I looked at videos online to see how it installs. And on most Lancers, it seems like you would put it in this location around here somewhere. But of course, there's no way to install it on any part of the door. So what you got to do is the clip where it goes is actually right back here. So after looking at it here, I realized that this black part here, that's the actual spring part. That's what needs tension on it. And there's a little slot here on the door right here, and you're going to take the gray portion and you're going to slide it into that slot, and as the door closes, the spring portion here actually hits on this part right here, and it creates tension on that spring. So when you pull the handle, it pops open. So I'll go ahead and install it here. Oh, not that difficult, I just got fat fingers. And there it is. That's it. Installed. So like I said, when you go to close it, now the spring will hit the inside of this portion here, and that'll get you working again. So let's test it out. I'll pull on the handle. There it is. Alright guys, that was it. Just a really quick video. I haven't really made anything in a while, but this was quick and easy. And, if any of you other guys were trying to figure that out, now you can. So there it goes. Alright guys, thank you.